Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Toyota Yaris radio. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a plastic trim removal tool to protect your dashboard from scratches. A Phillips head screwdriver is crucial for unscrewing various fasteners. Additionally, a small flathead screwdriver can be very helpful for gently prying open stubborn clips. Having these items ready will make the entire process much smoother and prevent any damage to your vehicle's interior. Now, let's begin by carefully removing the dashboard trim panels. Start with the side dashboard trim panel, using your plastic trim removal tool to gently pry it away. Next, work your way around the radio bezel, releasing all the clips that hold it in place. Take your time and apply even pressure to avoid breaking any plastic tabs. Once all clips are disengaged, you can gently pull the entire radio bezel away from the dashboard, exposing the radio unit. With the trim panels removed, you'll now see the radio unit clearly. There are typically 4 Phillips head screws holding the radio in place. Locate and remove each one carefully. Once these screws are out, gently slide the radio unit forward and out of its housing. Before completely removing it, remember to disconnect all the electrical connectors from the back of the unit. Also, detach the antenna cable, which usually just pulls straight out. This ensures a clean and complete removal. After successfully removing the radio, take a moment to inspect all the connections and the surrounding dashboard area for any potential damage. When you're ready to install a new radio or reassemble your dashboard, simply reverse these steps. Make sure all electrical connectors are firmly attached and the antenna cable is properly plugged in. Securely fasten all 4 screws and ensure all trim panel clips snap back into place for a snug fit. You've done it.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.